In today's episode of What's in the Box, I wanted a case for my iPad. So, of course, the little ad came across, TikTok shop or whatever the case. I'm sorry, but there's not many things I'm going to buy from a TikTok shop, especially when I can find it on Amazon for a quarter of the price. Let's see what I got. And yes, this is a kitchen knife. Could not find my box cutter, so might have to order one of those. Ta-da! A new case for my iPad that actually swivels, that's secure. And a suction cup foam mount because, you know, your girl is going to start getting that content in when I'm driving. And yes, I already know the precautions because I'm warned about it often. So, yeah, stay tuned. iPad. Laptop. Voila. So cousins, make sure you check out our Amazon shop and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye for now.